This is the Philips Norelco Bodygroom 7000. 5-zone body grooming. Back and shoulders, chest and abs, underarms and arms, groin area, also known as the junk. It's got a foil shaver on this end. Got a regular groomer on the other end, so it's a two-sided body groomer. Body groomer, trim guard, and charging cord with adapter. Up to 80 minutes of runtime, fully charges in 1 hour. For one of these, that's pretty fast charging. And it says it's got a 5-year warranty. When you take it out of the box, you have to remove the guard because you have to remove that piece of paper in order to be able to use the hair trimmer. And on this side, protecting the foil shaver, you've got plastic. You've got 2 activation buttons. One here activates the hair trimmer, and the other one over here activates the shaver. Trim the beard up. I don't really need it, but... So I have to say that the end that has the Philips Norelco trimmer did a very good job. A little bit curious about the shaver. Yeah, there wasn't much, but it did take off some of the hair that was there. It didn't pinch or bite the skin of my face, so I imagine that it would do a pretty good job on my junk. Let me go ahead and get some of the hair off of my arms. I'm going to take off the guard so that I can get it all the way down. Okay, right there you should be able to see the difference between the hairy arm and the clean arm. I gotta say, this is a good product. My arm and my face, they feel good. They don't feel like they've been torn up. This was a very, very comfortable product to use, and I have to say that I am happy that I bought it. Now, if you like this video, I'd like you to give me a thumbs up. I'd like you to subscribe, and I'd like you to have a good day. I'd like you to have a good week. I'd like you to have a good year, and I'd like you to have a good life.